Hey guys, heavy equipment and small motors on today. Got both the mini bikes out, same models, different motors. That one got the original 80cc motor, and this got aftermarket, what I put on 212cc Predator. They're both monster motors, custom, original. That one's got straight pipe exhaust, this one's got custom straight pipe exhaust. It's about 28 degrees and the wind's blowing, so the wind chill is probably like 15. And we're going to do a cold start on the bikes. We're going to start with the original motor. I hope it'll start. Choke on. Let me prime it a little bit. Okay. Turn the choke off. As you hear how loud it is. Let it warm up a minute. You hear how loud it is. All this needs is a chain. Same thing with this one. Got the chain. I just gotta fix the tensioner. Let's start this one up. This one's even louder. This baby should start up. It's cold. Hold on 1 minute. That usually helps it when it's cold. You blow it into the tank. Don't ask why, but it works. Start up again. Things definitely cold natured. For a minute. Okay, now it's ready. Usually have to do it twice before the gas actually stays going through the lines. There we go. It's warmed up now. Let's start them both up. That one stalled, but he allowed they are. I gotta bump the idle up a little bit on this one. It keeps like wanting to stall unless you give it a little bit of gas every once in a while. But it's definitely badass. Hell yeah.